Good day everyone. So for today, let me share with you another interesting work from home job that you might be interested to apply with. So the name of this company is Inboxdan. So let's have a quick review of what is this one. So by the way, Inboxdan offers an opportunity to those who are looking for work from home job. Let's talk about Inboxdan. So when you scroll the website of Inboxdan, here you can read some information regarding the task and the offer of the inbox done to their client and your expected role as their employee. So as you can see here, you as a virtual assistant, what are you going to do is to respond and organize the email of your client. So maybe your client is is a business owner, executive, or any CEO that you will be matched with. So basically, your role as a virtual assistant is to connect with the client, know the product of the business of your client or the services that they offer, and then later on you're going to respond and manage their inbox so that you can give time for your client to focus with the business itself, not by responding on emails. So that is your role here. Now, what's the good thing here is that you are work from home here. So, as long as you have your internet and a quality computer that you can work anywhere. And as long as, of course, you are doing the job, same time the client's requests time frames are respected. Now, no resume or cover letter needed here. So, they are not interested in where you went to school. What they interest most is how your unique skill set and life experience intersect to match this unique position. By the way, as you can see here, there's an endless opportunities, and at the same time, if you are looking for a long-term and reliable income, you may join this company. So instead of constantly pitching to new clients or chasing up invoices, they carefully matching you with the client. Freedom to work your way. Once you complete the training period for each client and have shown competency in all major areas, we will not micromanage you. You will be expected to get your job done right and done well and keep us updated with weekly check-ins. Then we'll leave you to get on with it, whatever work style and methods work best for you and your clients. So that's the good thing here in this company. Now, they are looking for clients, customer hail from all over the world. As we never know what kind of audience a client will have, we look for applicants with high levels of empathy and emotional intelligence. And again, you're working here with different owners, business owners, executives, and CEOs. Now, aside from managing their email, there are times that you are going to meet with your client as well. Now, and aside from that, these are the list of virtual assistant that they're not looking for. They're not looking for applicants looking for a short-term gig because like what I mentioned, this is a long term, and then applicants who are not self-motivated and self-taught, and applicants who are not open to constructive feedback. Now, if you think you are not the one being mentioned here, then you'll feel free to apply here in the inbox then. Now, job description. So this will be your job description. Being an inbox manager means showing up in the inbox on your assigned days to take care of any delegated task from your clients. So you're going to manage their inbox, answer the queries on their inbox, and many more. And now, after completing a 30-day training period with one of our training managers, you will work one-on-one with your client and communicate with them directly going forward. Don't worry, the 30-day training period, as they promise, is paid as well. Okay, now, what else you need to know? Uh, you make sure that you have the tools needed, the Zoom, LastPass, Calendly, and any specified communication tools as a client request. Now, let me show you how to apply. So, you are going to submit an application. So, you need to complete it in about 20 minutes. And then after that, once they feel that you are a good fit on their company, they will be inviting you to participate in an interview over Zoom. After satisfactorily completing the interview, you're going to check, they are going to call maybe your references. And then once your references had been confirmed, they are welcome you into your first period, paid training period. Okay? So, once you click this apply here, this is what are you going to see. So, the current open positions is inbox manager. However, they also include here that they receive high volume applications. Only applicants who answer all questions and include a Vimeo video will be considered. So this will be the step-by-step process until you reach the paid training course and paid trial period. Okay, so this is a good thing. The salary here is after you graduate for the paid trial period, all new managers, this is the basic, is $17 per hour USD. And then we also offer paid holidays and unlimited retention and upgrade bonuses. Now, you are going to answer the following questions here. And then at the same time, there are different questions here that will help them to check whether you are good fit on their company. So please find time to answer this one. Make sure you're going to be honest as much as possible on answering this one. And then as well as you are going to check as well your availability here. You can choose depending on your schedule. And this is very important to them. Even though it's email management, they also want to check how you present or how you communicate professionally. That is why they require you to upload a 2-minute video and then upload your video to Vimeo and then mark it as public and then paste your Vimeo URL here. So you're going to choose a different prompt here that you're going to maybe answer. So after that, paste here and then they're going to watch it. And that will be, by the way, that will be as well their basis of how professional are you. And then once done, once you're done answering all of the questions here, you may now click submit and then wait for their email regarding your application. So, and that's it for this Inbox Done company. And to those who are willing and interested, you may visit their webpage as well. And it will help you at least to gain your understanding regarding how this company works and how they hire employee or virtual assistant on their company. So good luck on your virtual assistant journey and hopefully you will consider this one. Goodbye.